Hi, this is Patricia O'Reilly with Ikebana International, Dallas Chapter 13. We're beginning a new collaboration with the Dallas Chinese Community Center to learn about the art of Ikebana. We're going to begin this journey on Saturday, June the 4th, to create an arrangement in celebration of the Chinese Dragon Boat Festival. You'll be getting a flyer with the exact time, so keep an eye out for it, but again, it's Saturday, June 4th. You'll need a few pieces of equipment when you come to the workshop. The first one is an oval container, something like this, smooth on the bottom, about 1.5 inches high, or you can have a round one. It's not a big difference. A second kind of container I have is a plain white big casserole. Again, it's smooth on the bottom, it needs to be flat, and it's about 1.5 inches high. This one's oval, but you can also bring a round container, no problem. The next piece of equipment you're going to need is what we call a kenzan. A kenzan looks like this, round, smooth on the bottom, so it sits smooth in your container, and it has all these little pin pricks on it. Some people call this a flower frog. You may have one, or a friend of yours may have one. If you have it, that's great, but not to worry if you don't. We'll work with a substitute. The other item you need is something to cut your flowers. This is called a hasami. If you have one, that's wonderful. Some of them have bigger handles. But don't fret, if you've got a pair of flower shears, that's all you need. Something that will cut your flowers and very lightweight branches. The final thing you're going to need is a small hand towel, something like a kitchen towel or a bathroom hand towel. And that's all you need. The flowers will be provided for you, and you'll be excited about what you'll be working with to create your Chinese dragon boat arrangement celebrating that wonderful festival. So I'm signing off for now. Watch for the flyer. I'll see you soon. Thank you.